Do you ever get on public transport and someone just coughs into the air like it's no big deal? Happens to me all the time, and I always end up falling sick afterwards. That's why I started taking the NutraGummy Immune Boost by NutraGoodness to strengthen my immune system. It looks and tastes just like candy, but it's so much more than that. With ivy leaf extract to clear stubborn phlegm and elderberry to ease cold and flu symptoms, it helps me bounce back fast and it keeps my immune system strong. Plus, it's made with natural ingredients and recyclable packaging. Good for me and good for the planet. With NutraGummy, I don't stress as much about being in crowded places all the time, because I know my immune system's got solid backup. Give your immunity a boost too with NutraGummy Immune Boost by NutraGoodness.